Awesome.
All right, guys, get back where you're supposed to be. Come on. Come on, back out of the street. Back out of the street.